Fwashan An's new design portable dental trolley. This unit with LED lamp with sensor. Our advantage is this trolley with computer and oral camera. Now let's introduce how to use it. This is computer. First you can connect the Wi-Fi. Press the Explore twice, you can search online. What you see now is this new design portable dental trolley. Now let's introduce how to use the oral camera. Press Dental Cam twice, it will be working interface. You can add patient information here. Then press Save button. Touch the diagnosis. We can use the camera to take pictures. Normally we will show 4 pictures on the screen. After that press Save. If you want to compare the pictures, you can touch the screen twice, choose the pictures. Then it can generate a report. Press the screen, choose the pictures, you can type your symptom and suggestion at the blank part. You can make the screen bigger or smaller. At the same time, this report can transfer to patient mobile directly. Patients scan the QR code, they will give the report directly. You can also print it directly after connect your printer. We are Fwashan An's Medical. We always make new products. Welcome to inquiry.